And back to football, the promoted Treasure Beach FC got their first Premier League point, while defending champions Mount Pleasant FC continued their unbeaten start to the season as action continued in the Jamaica Premier League today. More in this report.
St. Elizabeth-based Treasure Beach FC are finally off the mark in the Jamaica Premier League as they recorded their first victory of the campaign, a 1-0 win over the other newly promoted team, Limehall Academy at Stets. Curtin Wright scored the lone goal in the contest to move them up to 9th on the table.
And we should keep the ball and keep more position on football. But apart from that, the first half started out very well, but we should have capitalized in the first 15 minutes with a two goal, but eventually they lost the penalty kick, and then we were unexpected of moving forward with the ball as quick as possible. Disappointed, obviously. That some was in it for us. We started poorly in terms of conceding a penalty, goalkeeper saving. We're going to the game. That's a good opportunity. After the red cards, obviously we have to make some adjustments. The team did well under the conditions.
Former champions of Portmore United recorded back-to-back wins as they blanked Dunbeholden FC 2-0 in the St. Catherine derby. Martin Davis, in his first game for Portmore, broke the deadlock in the 41st minute, before Omar Reed sealed the win in the 84th minute.
To say it was a very comfortable win in terms of the run of play and how we managed the game. I think in the last 15 minutes it got ugly, but I mean we held on and we found another goal in that period of time, which is good.
At the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex, defending champions Mount Pleasant FC extended their perfect start to the season to 3 wins following a come-from-behind 3-1 victory over Malines United. Jeremy Nelson put Malines in front in the 70th minute. But Marlon Allen would, however, equalize for the St. Anne-based team just 3 minutes later. Kimoni Bailey, who had a man-of-the-match performance, would get a goal for his efforts as he put Mount Pleasant ahead in minute 79. Okwasa Chung then scored Mount Pleasant's third in second-half stoppage time. At the Wembley Centre of Excellence, Vere United and Montego United played out a 1-1 draw. Sujay Graham gave Vere United an 8th-minute lead, but Mobay United found an equaliser 3 minutes from time when Brian Brown netted in the 87th.
I'm disappointed with the result. I thought, having led the game for so long, giving up what I thought was a soft goal. It's a disappointment for us.
It was a tough game, as you said. You see, in the first half we started very well. We missed 2 chances by 2 corners that the goalkeeper saved twice. And unfortunately we conceded a goal, a very unlucky goal. The ball bounced a little bit bad in the surface and tricky my goalkeeper.